I know that bread and breadcrumbs would normally not be gluten-free, but right here we've got 4C gluten-free plain breadcrumbs. So you can add your own seasonings to that and do your fish fry or whatever you would like. And here we go. Also here we've got 3 different flavors of fish fry batter, and that's Zatarain's brand again. So yay, it's the first time I've seen this. It's great. And earlier when I was talking about seasonings, here is the McCormick labeled gluten-free. Weber is now also labeling gluten-free, so that's great. A lot of options now opening up for folks. And Kieferman now has a gluten-free panko style coating, so that's interesting. Just more and more stuff becoming available. It's easier to be gluten-free. And over here we've got some alternatives to flour. We've got organic coconut flour and almond flour and chia seeds. So, Pillsbury gluten-free all-purpose flour. So this is great. There's lots of options here. That's really nice to see. Interestingly, I'm not finding Betty Crocker here in this Walmart, but they do have a Martha White gluten-free blueberry mix and Pillsbury, which is the first time I've seen that anywhere. They don't normally have it where I shop. So that's the extent on the gluten-free here, which I'm kind of surprised because Betty Crocker has cookies and brownies and cake that I am just not seeing here.